Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a Ford F-150, that generation here from year 2009 to year 2014. If you guys have one of those, you need to find where the relay for the fuel pump is located, where to buy cheap relays from, and why it's important to test relays and fuses so you don't waste your time and money. All that will be covered in this video today. Make sure you stay until the end. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us guys. On this channel you will find all the fuse videos on Ford F-150. We're going to make video for every single fuse, so if you're on the road, stuck in the middle of somewhere, you need to find a specific fuse, you can just come to the channel, search for it, find it in less than, let's say, 30 seconds. You don't even need to pull your manual out of the glove box, and most of the times you will be even missing this one. Something else guys, we take cars here at the garage and we take them completely apart. We fix engines, transmissions, bodywork. We show you how to fix pretty much anything. And the mechanical work guys, okay, electric codes and things like that can be found on our main YouTube channels. Those are our older channels, and this one is our new channel where we're going to share just fuses so we can make it really convenient for you to find the information that you need. Now if you need to buy replacement fuses, relays for your Ford F-150, because those can be really expensive at the parts store or the dealership, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tool supplies from, and you can get them at a really good price and quick shipping as well. So let's continue. Specifically, we will demonstrate on 2012 Ford F-150 that we have right here. Even if you have a different year, but that generation video may be helpful. Always check the fuses for the fuel pump as well. You may have up to 2 fuses. We have the video on the channel, check it out, it will talk about that. Now the fuse box that we will need to work in will be the one under the hood, right above the radiator guys, that fuse box right here. Once you open that cover, you will see the relays and the fuses. Okay, that will be the layout right here. You will be on this side, and the relay side will be towards the windshield of the Ford F-150. Now let's explain why it's important to test relays and fuses. So let me explain why it's super important guys to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. So the relay for the fuel pump guys. First, those Ford Motor Company relays, okay, they could be really expensive and hard to find sometimes if you're driving through small towns, if you're in the middle of nowhere. So we recommend get some spares guys. You have only 3 different kinds of relays. Keep one of those spares in the glove box, so if you need some, you can always guys swap it and be back on the road. We'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get them from at a good price and quick shipping. The relay that we'll need to find now will be, if we come on the very left side, even if you have a missing relay, you count the spot 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That relay number 8 right here, that's the relay guys for your fuel pump. Check that relay. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.